Welcome back to the front page setup tutorial where we are setting up the app for Facebook iframes using WordPress. If you remember, we actually set up the app and we actually got our app ID. This is the ID we need to input on our WordPress settings, like I mentioned before. So if we go back to our site, this is a new site which I've set up. As you can see, it's actually showing up as the default, the 2010 theme. And what we need to do now is activate one of the fan page themes that is included in this package. So go to Appearance, and here you'll see all the themes that are available to you. Okay. In this instance, we're going to use one of the WP Radius themes, and the one I'm looking at is the one with let me have a look. No site title and header. Preview it, and this is how it looks at the moment. So if I activate the theme, and the first thing you'll notice is you'll be brought to this page here that asks for the your fan page app ID. Okay, this is the one we created earlier. So if you go back to Facebook, I can copy this, back to our WordPress settings page, enter the app ID and click Save Up. And that's it for this section of the setup. Now what we need to do is go back to developers and link our site with the app via iFrame. To do that, on the app page that we set up, we'll go to Edit Settings. What we need here, you can we've already set up the name, which is showing there. You can give your description, also upload an icon or a logo if you wish. You need to set up the a user support address. This is mandatory by Facebook's terms. Also the privacy policy URL and terms of service, these are also required if you're going to let your app be used by other users. But in this case we're not, so it's not that really important. The email address is sufficient. What we need to do in this section is go to Facebook integration, and here's where all the magic happens. First of all, we need to give the canvas page a name. I'll use the same one. Hope it's not been taken already. Canvas URL. This will actually be the same as your website URL. Let me refresh this first so we bring up the theme we activated. Okay. Take this URL, copy it over to Facebook. We're going to choose auto scroll. I do not wish to have my app appear in the social discovery, so I'll disable that. You need to give the tab a name, call it showcase. Tab URL is exactly the same as the canvas URL. If you're using a secure certificate, the HTTPS, you need to put the URL here. Okay, and that's about it for this section. All we need to do now is click Save. If all goes well, all the settings are correct, so it's been saved for us. Now what we need to do is link it up to the page for it to appear on on the left hand side bar. So you find it here. That's what we just created. So to do that, we need to click on application profile page. We now have the option to add to a page. So click on the add to page. This will bring up a list of all the pages that I've created, and I can select which page to add it to. I'm going to add it to these WordPress fan page themes. That's been added and the page removed from there, so I'll close that. Now I'll need to navigate to my page to view the iframe. So use Facebook as page, and then we need to select the page again, which is the WordPress fan page themes. Switch over, and a page. Initially, when someone lands here, they'll be taken to whatever screen you actually set, tab you set for them to land on. So it's not showing here at the moment, but what we need to do is click on more, and you can see here it is, showcase. If I click on that link, it should open up our fan page with the WordPress theme we selected. And there it is. All that is left to do is actually to make some adjustment over on our WordPress installation, get rid of this background if we don't need it, and so on. I tend to change it to white background to make look appearance, then start adding content. This is a sample page that's there at the moment. And as you can see, with the settings I've set up for the height, the scroll bars are not appearing. This is to do with the code that I've included in the theme. So I hope you've learned a little bit of how to set up your iframe using Facebook apps, and you enjoy the themes. Go and create your fan page, and hope you get great results from them. Thank you for watching.